Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Vanessa Oliver. She's a registered dietitian at the University of Kentucky HR Health and Wellness. Good morning, Vanessa.
Hey, Kristi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, and I'm so excited that you're with us this morning because I am always looking for new meal ideas, and today you are going to give us some meal inspiration.
Yes, I'm specifically going to give you some lunch inspiration, although really this could be for any meal. I feel like lunches sometimes are somewhere where people tend to fall apart during the work week and they end up going out to grab something that maybe won't make them feel very good for the rest of the day, right? Whether it's not giving them the energy they need or just the nutrition. So anything that you can make at home is generally going to be better than something you get out, and anything you can make ahead of time when you don't have to run around the morning before you're getting into the car to go to work is even better. So today I'm talking about salad in a jar. This is something that I do personally for me and my husband. And honestly, we've eaten this for lunch for like the last 5 years and haven't gotten sick of it yet. So it's a really easy process. I'm going to start off by making actually a really quick dressing. This is something that I do at home, but you could certainly use your very favorite bottle dressing as well. I'm just mixing together a little bit of oil and vinegar and seasoning in a little jar. And you may have seen that I put some mustard in there in the very beginning. Not only does that give you some flavor, but it's also going to add to the emulsification of the dressing. And emulsification just means it all comes together. So I'm just going to shake this up. And there you see, I have a really nice mustard vinaigrette. I only put salt and pepper in there, but you could put in other seasonings as well. And really the key of salad in a jar, if you had to distill it, is dressing on the bottom, lettuce at the top. Anything else in between can go in. I like to start with some crunchy, sort of heartier vegetables that can sort of marinate in the dressing as this sits in your refrigerator. These salads are actually going to be good for the whole week. I make them on a Saturday or Sunday, and then they last for the week. Nothing gets soggy, nothing gets stinky, and it all tastes delicious. Beautiful purple cabbage. I've also added some diced carrot, some diced yellow bell pepper, and some cucumber. You want to make your lunch visually appealing also, especially if you're in your office all day and looking at the same four walls, right? So I'm getting color, I'm getting texture, I'm getting crunch, flavor, and nutrition as I'm adding all of this in there. I think I'm going to add a few grape tomatoes as well. And you can see that it already looks pretty good. After you add your heartier vegetables, this is a great time to add some protein. I'm going to add some chickpeas for plant-based protein. Beans or lentils will hold up really well over the week for your salad in a jar. But if you prefer other proteins like chicken or tuna, or maybe you've got some leftover pulled pork that you made for the night before, then I would package that separately and just take that in a separate container each day that you go to work with your salad in a jar. So once you've got your hearty vegetables and your beans, you can give it a shake, make sure everything settles down. And this is when I'm going to put in my salad greens because they're the most delicate. I do like to sort of squeeze them down in there. You can see I'm using a little jar funnel. I use this for canning usually, but it comes in really handy for the salad in a jar. And then once you've got everything in there, you can take your funnel out, make sure you have your lid handy, and go on and seal it up. And this is a portable, nutritious, delicious, easy to make, easy to plan ahead lunch. You can have them for the week. Feel really accomplished when you open up that refrigerator and see them all lined up and ready to go.
Vanessa, it sounds and looks delicious. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.